Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Classic Exotica, a project developed by Classic Builders, and this project is located in Billapura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the exact surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So basically once you enter, this is the land parcel and the marketing office is on the left hand side over here. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project, and the model apartment is ready inside the tower itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So basically, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 1.7 acres consisting of 2 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, offering you 3 and 4 BHK luxurious apartment. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Sarjapur Attibele main road in Billapura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this is the main entrance of our Exotica project. And now let me show you the neighborhood. So basically this is the Sarjapur Attibele main road, and this road on my back end side will connect you towards Attibele, and the opposite side road will take you towards Ittangur. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So basically you can connect to Azim Premji University in just 1 kilometer from the project. Sarjapur Circle is 1.8 kilometers away. D-Mart is 2.5 kilometers from your location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play zone, multi-purpose hall, indoor games and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So this project offers you 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK is of 1780 square feet and 4 BHK 2420 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project booking window is operational. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Classic Exotica, a project developed by Classic Builders, and this project is located in Billapura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.